Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So finally we have OnePlus 15 in the house and I've been using this device from past few days. And this video will be talking about this device, its box content, OxygenOS 16 on OnePlus 15, the plus key and its functionalities, along with the integration of Gemini in Mindspace application. We'll also explore OxygenOS 16 features and upgrades, and of course, I'll be also showing you guys the photos which I clicked using OnePlus 15. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. We received the media kit which comes with this tagline, power on, limit off. This clearly shows that OnePlus is focusing heavily on performance this time. Inside the media kit, you'll also find a special OnePlus 15 hole pattern magic case, a breathable and protective case with a pixel grid design that lets you customize it using small color bricks. It's perfect for users who love personalization and fidget-friendly accessory. Regular users can also buy it separately from OnePlus official website. Another interesting thing inside the media kit is this white piece of material, a sample of aerogel, the same material used inside OnePlus 15 display. Aerogel is a super light insulating material used in space tech that help keep things cool. OnePlus is using it to prevent heat from processor from reaching the screen. Even under heavy use, the display stays comfortable to touch. Now let's move to the main box of OnePlus 15. Inside you get a quick start guide, a rubber case matching your phone's color, the phone itself, the 120-watt charging brick with a USB Type A to Type C cable, and finally a SIM ejector tool. Now let's unwrap the phone and take the first look at OnePlus 15 Indian unit. The color I have here is misty purple, or you can also call it as fog purple. It really looks amazing. When you tilt the phone slightly and light hits, the edges reflect beautiful purple highlights all around the back. The finish has a matte texture, so no fingerprint smudges at all. The OnePlus 15 will also come in two other colors. One is absolute black, the darkest phone ever made. Then we have the sandstone, featuring a ceramic coated metal frame and lightweight fiberglass back, inspired by desert landscapes. Now let's switch on the phone. And guys, the OnePlus 15 comes out of the box with stable OxygenOS 16. Even on OnePlus 15, we do have this plus key, which can be used for multiple functions. You can switch between ringing modes, trigger Mindspace application, or quickly access features like do not disturb, camera profile, torch, translate, and more. Also, OnePlus 15 is the first device having the integration of Google's Gemini in the Mindspace application, which means you can use Gemini to extract and summarize information present on your Mindspace application. Super useful and handy for productivity. By the way, OxygenOS 16 has this frosted glass design in the entire UI. You consider lock screen, widgets on the lock screen, or even applications like calculator. While entering the pin, whenever you tap on any of the number, you will see that glow effect. There are also several AI features added on OxygenOS 16. A new recorder app with a real-time auto transcription that can even separate speakers. The AI writer tool on OxygenOS 16 helps you write articles, social media posts for Instagram, Facebook, or even Twitter. You can change the tones to standard, detailed, concise, and more. In the gallery application now we get two major changes. One is the AI feature called AI Relight, which removes the unwanted shadow from the photos, and it actually works really well. Then we have a dedicated video editor, and that lets you edit video on go and can even export 4K at 120 FPS, eliminating the need for third-party application. Now let's talk about some of the confirmed specification of OnePlus 15. A few details are still under embargo guys, and we'll cover those in our full review dropping on 13th November. So the OnePlus 15 is powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, tri-chip system with a new touch and Wi-Fi G2 chip. The Wi-Fi signal strength always remains good. The device also has 360-degree gyro velocity intelligent cooling system, which is really great for long gaming session. We also get a massive 7300 mAh battery with 120-watt wired charging support and 50-watt wireless fast charging support. The display on this device is 1.5K LTPO display with 165Hz refresh rate, a slight downgrade from OnePlus 13, but overall it's really smooth. You also get bypass charging for gaming. Then the IP rating on this device is IP66, 68, 69, and even IP69K. Haptic motor I would say slightly downgraded. And this time OnePlus is no more in the partnership with Hasselblad, but this time they have got this new Detail Max engine. And trust me guys, it's really performing well. I've clicked plenty of photos already and I'll be uploading all of them to Google Drive so you guys can check out the actual quality for yourself. And let me know in the comment section below what you guys have to say about the picture quality of OnePlus 15. So guys, that's all for unboxing and first look of OnePlus 15. Make sure you like, subscribe, and also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on the full review. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.